Behind this beautiful facade was a renovation disaster story. Our young owners jumped at the opportunity to buy this 100-year-old home in central Perth. But after too many contractor cock-ups and overcapitalisation, they were desperate for our help. The living room and bedrooms just needed a freshen up. Removing some of the heavy stonework, a new lick of paint and lovely styling has done that nicely. But the biggest issue was the lack of a decent kitchen, laundry and bathroom. Now we have a modern bathroom with heritage charm. And check out the kitchen with a real cooktop and brand new everything, including easy access out to Charlie's gorgeous new deck. What once looked like a demolition site now looks like a magazine spread. A beautiful new automatic awning, an outdoor kitchen that overlooks the lawn and the pool. This garden truly is an entertainer's delight.